Get ready to level up your gaming experience. AMD's latest gaming powerhouse, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, is here to dominate the PC gaming scene. With its cutting-edge 3DV cache technology, this CPU promises to deliver mind-blowing performance. So, what makes the 9800X3D a true game-changer? It's all about the 3DV cache. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary technology that stacks additional cache layers directly on top of the CPU die. By reducing latency and boosting gaming performance, the 9800X3D leaves its competitors in the dust. Now let's talk numbers. We've put the 9800X3D through rigorous testing and the results are impressive. It outperforms its predecessor, the 7800X3D, in a variety of games, especially those that are heavily CPU-bound. You're looking at an 8% uplift in average FPS, that's some serious power. But what does this mean for real-world gaming? The 9800X3D delivers smooth, stutter-free gameplay, even at high resolutions and demanding settings. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this CPU has got you covered. Imagine playing your favorite titles with buttery smooth frame rates and zero lag. Sounds like a dream, right? The AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a game-changer. It's powerful, efficient, and future-proof. Perfect for gamers and content creators alike. If you're looking to upgrade your PC and take your gaming experience to the next level, the 9800X3D is the way to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content. And let me know in the comments what you think of the 9800X3D. Mark your calendars. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D drops on November 7th, priced at just $479. Get ready to elevate your gaming to new heights.